Have you ever wondered how geometry hides elegant results behind simple shapes? In this video, we explore a rectangle containing two tangent quarter circles and reveal the exact area of the mysterious red region. Stay until the end because the final result might surprise you. We consider a rectangle named ABCD. Inside this rectangle, two tangent quarter circles are drawn. The red region R is bounded by the sides of the rectangle and the two tangent quarter circles. The length of the rectangle is equal to 10 units. Our goal is to compute the area of the red region R. Let S1 be the area of the rectangle ABCD. Let S2 be the area of each quarter circle. The area R of the red region would be equal to S1 minus 2 times S2. Let X be the width of the rectangle. This width X is also the radius of each quarter circle. Thus, S1 is equal to 10 multiplied by X. The area of one quarter circle S2 is equal to 1 divided by 4 multiplied by X squared multiplied by pi. The area R would be equal to 10 multiplied by X minus 2 times 1 divided by 4 multiplied by X squared times pi. After simplification, we find that R is equal to 10 multiplied by X minus 1/2 times X squared times pi. Now to find the value of X, we draw the diagonal AC of the rectangle. We'll find that the triangle ABC is a right triangle at point B. According to the Pythagorean theorem, the square of AB plus the square of BC is equal to the square of the hypotenuse AC. The length AB is equal to 10. The length BC is equal to X. As for the length AC, it is equal to 2 times X, as the points A and C are aligned with the tangent point of the two quarters of circles. Thus, the equation becomes 10 squared plus X squared is equal to 2 multiplied by X all squared. After simplification, we get 3 multiplied by X squared minus 100 is equal to 0. Solving this equation gives X equal to the square root of 100 divided by 3, and this value is approximately equal to 5.77. Now by substituting this value into the formula for R, we find that R is equal to 10 times 5.77 minus 1/2 multiplied by 5.77 squared times pi. Thus, the area R is approximately equal to 5.263 square units. With a combination of geometry and algebra, we successfully determined the area of the red region. This problem beautifully illustrates how classical theorems can solve visually complex figures. If you learned from this geometric journey, like the video, subscribe to the channel, activate the notifications bell, and share it with fellow math lovers. More elegant math puzzles are coming soon. Finally, if you truly enjoy this kind of educational content and you want to take your own YouTube journey to the next level, I invite you to check out vidIQ using the link in the description. vidIQ is an all-in-one solution designed specifically for YouTube creators. It allows you to schedule and publish posts directly on YouTube, analyze your channel's growth with detailed insights, generate thumbnails, create video scripts, and access a wide variety of other powerful tools all in one place. If you want to support this channel while also boosting your own YouTube performance, getting a subscription to vidIQ is one of the best ways to do it. Just click the link in the description, explore what it can do for you, and start improving your content today.